Hi, my name is Aisha Shamim. I live in Leeds, North UK. I got diagnosed with endometriosis grade 4, which is an illness quite predominant in women. But I reached the last stage. It was very difficult for me. That was 2007 July. While I recovered from it, I actually got diagnosed with stage 3 to 4 breast cancer in 2008. I was given 8 months to live. Now I've successfully completed 15 years. Life seemed really hard. We had lots of after effects of medication. One of the after effects of one of the medication which I took, which would keep cancer at bay, was a medicine which led to my bones on my teeth starting to crack. It was very difficult for me. It started happening 2.5 years ago in UK, North UK. I could not find a dentist who would work with me because the doctors were more concerned about my health, that I should live well because of the cancer scare, rather than concentrate on teeth or some other part of the body. For me, being younger, being a prominent member in the community, working with lots of NGO organizations, I found it very, very, very difficult to come in terms with a face without any teeth. Fortunately for me, and very fortunately actually for me, was that my mother and my parents resided in Delhi, New Delhi. I have been 25 years in UK, and when I faced this problem, my mother actually found out a clinic which was where we lived in Delhi, in south of Delhi. We found a dentist by the name of Dr. Sanjay Kumar. Absolutely amazing dental surgeon. He happily looked into my case. My doctors, my GP, and my dentist in UK actually referred to him via emails. Even to see a dentist in UK, I was going to wait about 8 months. This doctor, Dr. Sanjay Kumar, was very cooperative. He spoke to my doctors in UK, and finally we did an appointment. It was extremely cost effective for me, but I was lucky that my parents lived in Delhi, and they got in touch with Dr. Sanjay Kumar. Uh, I arrived in Delhi 2 years ago, where he started doing my treatment. It started with scans, x rays, he looked at my medication, he spoke to my doctors in UK, and he came up with a plan. He understood my mental situation, he understood me, that even though I'm living with long term health problems because of cancer, I was younger, I wanted to get on with my life. I have a young child who's 13 now, and I wanted to look better. I wanted to be a part of the community. I did not want to lose my looks, but I was also concerned about my health because the treatment in UK is of course free for me, and it was a big decision for me to come and trust somebody in Delhi to come and look into my health. But Dr. Sanjay Kumar was absolutely amazing. He could pick up the phone whenever I wanted to talk to him. He wrote quite a few letters and coordinated with my dentist and the GP surgery in UK, which was fantastic. Finally, about 2 years ago, in October, it was October 2023, really. So, 1.5 years ago, I managed to come. I stayed with my mother in Delhi, where I used to visit her quite often, 2 to 3 times a year. So, my parents supported me, and I managed to meet Dr. Sanjay Kumar. My life basically transformed. Not only did he do the surgery very carefully, he looked into my teeth, he took lots of care and adjusted to my needs and my wantings of how I wanted it. And in between, doing the treatment, he also gave me some dentures which I could use in the meantime. So I could go back to UK, I could still have some teeth. I mean, it feels very funny talking like that, but it's a horrible, horrible situation when you are fighting a disease like cancer, when you're living with everyday problems at work, in your life, and then you have this other problem on top. But Dr. Sanjay Kumar was extremely supportive. He was there when I needed to talk to him about how going forward what will happen. He also managed to do bone grafting. Now there are lots of technical work gone into the thing, which I'm not. I can't remember. I'm not sure about. But what I know is he made me feel fantastic. He made me feel beautiful. He made me feel alive. That was the main thing. He supported me. And finally, after almost 2 years, I have now managed to get my perfect teeth for life back without any effect to my medications which I changed. In Delhi it was so quick, the scans were quick, the x-rays were quick, they could happen very quickly because it was his referral. Everything happened in and around. Now I would highly recommend Dr. Sanjay Kumar for anybody wanting any treatment around the world or even in India. It's not only he's a fantastic medical personality, it is also his personal personality. He was focused. He asked me again and again what I needed, what I wanted. He gave me a few dentures so I could use them just in case my teeth, there was a problem and it fell. All the trauma which I went through and about my looks, about my health conditions, he worked around it. It was like as if I had a counselor and a friend. I'm so thankful and so grateful to Dr. Sanjay. He's a friend for life now. These are the teeth which I got 1 week before, and I'm leaving today. I'm going back to UK. This is the fourth time when I had come, and he did his treatment in bits all through. But these are my teeth today. As you can see, I've got my smile back, I've got my laugh back, and I feel I've got my just, everything in my life is back and it will work. And I'm so very grateful. I would highly recommend Dr. Sanjay Kumar. He's a dentist. He's based in the S block in Greater Kailash Part 1 in South Delhi. Fantastic. And what can I say, Dr. Sanjay? You have just changed my life for the better. Thank you.